It is one of the most developed capitalist nations in the world, the third largest economy on Earth, with a per capita GDP of about $33,800. It is also known for having one of the most organized underworld systems in existence. The powerful crime syndicates, known internationally as the Yakuza, have long been embedded in various sectors of its society. Its vast gray economy was historically shaped by these groups, and the largest red light district in all of Asia, Kabukicho, still operates under their influence. By now, I'm sure you've guessed which country this is. That's right, it's Japan, a country that evokes both admiration and controversy. During World War II, Japan launched a brutal invasion of China, occupying cities, rivers, and mountains, destroying lives, and looting immense national treasures. The crimes committed during that period left a deep scar on history, one that will never be forgotten. So, what kind of country is Japan today? Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today, in this video, we'll explore this fascinating island nation. Located in East Asia, Japan lies to the west of the Pacific Ocean and east of the Sea of Japan, sharing maritime borders with China, Russia, North Korea, and South Korea. The country is made up of more than 6,800 islands, stretching across a long, curved archipelago. Japan covers an area of about 378,000 square kilometers, and though small in size, it has a population of around 125 million people, making it one of the most densely populated countries in the world. Its capital, Tokyo, is a global megacity with nearly 39 million residents and one of the most powerful economic centers on Earth. Despite its size, Japan rose to become an industrial powerhouse. By the late 19th century, it had already built a strong industrial foundation. During World War II, Japan operated 25 aircraft carriers, a massive military force at that time. After its defeat, the economy suffered greatly, but with support from the United States, Japan quickly rebuilt. Its industries, from automobiles to electronics, flourished again. Global brands like Sony, Toyota, Honda, Canon, Nikon, and Toshiba became household names across the world. Japan also dominates the anime and entertainment industry, producing thousands of animations every year and generating over $70 billion in revenue, ranking first globally in the field. Education plays a key role in Japan's culture. From an early age, children are taught discipline and independence. In elementary school, they walk to and from school by themselves, even in winter, often wearing shorts as a way to build endurance and self-control. Japan is also renowned as one of the cleanest countries in the world. Whether in cities or remote towns, the streets are spotless. People rarely litter, and waste separation is followed with remarkable precision. Sanitation workers only collect properly sorted garbage, while local residents and shopkeepers keep their own streets clean. A true display of civic responsibility. No one can deny that Japan is a country of extraordinary beauty. It offers travelers an unmatched blend of modern wonders and natural charm. From Tokyo to Osaka, Mount Fuji to Hokkaido, every corner of Japan has something unique to offer. Let's begin with the heart of it all, Tokyo, the capital and beating pulse of Japan. This dazzling metropolis is filled with iconic sights. The world-famous Shibuya Crossing is more than just an intersection. It's a symbol of Japan's rhythm and order, where thousands of people cross in perfect harmony from every direction. For stunning city views, Tokyo Tower remains a must-visit landmark. And if luxury and nightlife excite you, Ginza and Shinjuku await. Home to the country's largest entertainment zones, where lights, music, and life never sleep. Within Shinjuku lies Kabukicho, the largest red light district in Asia, offering an unfiltered glimpse of Tokyo's bold nightlife. Traveling north, we reach Hokkaido, Japan's second-largest island, with its capital Sapporo. This region is famous for its breathtaking scenery. Cherry blossoms in spring, endless lavender fields in summer, and a snow-covered paradise in winter. From Maruyama Park's pink cherry blooms to the endless purple waves of the Furano lavender fields, every season paints Hokkaido in its own color. And when winter arrives, the island transforms into a white wonderland, ideal for skiing, hot springs, and romantic getaways, like stepping straight into a fairy tale. Of course, no journey through Japan is complete without visiting its most iconic natural symbol, Mount Fuji, or Fujisan in Japanese. Standing at 3,776 meters, This majestic volcanic mountain rises within the Fuji National Park and remains the highest point in Japan. It takes roughly 2.5 hours to reach it from Tokyo by car. Every year, about 300,000 climbers from around the world attempt to conquer its slopes. In 2013, Mount Fuji was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site, earning global recognition as one of the most beautiful peaks on Earth. So, what kind of country do you think Japan is? A land of contradictions or a masterpiece of discipline and beauty? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more documentaries from around the world. See you in the next video.